Good day, guten tag, bonjour, marhaba. This is Mario from fxotherway. Hi trader, how are you today? In today's video, I will show you how to spot harmonic behavior if you are a day trader, because you ask me pretty often. And I also try to demonstrate you how to use it in easy way to improve your trading results. So let's start straight away. Actually, I'm on EURUSD 1 hour chart, which I think is very decent to work it out in a way without too much noise on the market, because the lower time frame, the bigger noise is, I think 1 hour chart, it should be alright. So if you are a day trader, I might show you how to spot these harmonics, which WD Gann used in his trading as well. He was using geometry pretty often, a part of astronomy, numerology, and simple algebra, arithmetic, cycles. He also used geometry. So I show you in a very simple way. So as I told you, USD 1 hour chart. We got 2 points over here. As you have realized, the market somewhere started in May, mid-May, on 15th of May. It was a strong uptrend, and the market just shown the first sign of weakness over here, and this is the other sign of weakness. The market made 2 tops over here and over here. So the only way to do it, just spot it like this. Just get and draw a rectangle over here from the top to the top, these 2 levels, and let's draw a line over here just to keep it right. And that's the line. Okay, that's the first one. So we got the starting point on 10th of June at 2100. I remind you, this is 1 hour chart of EURUSD. So let's move it further and try to spot another top. Here we go, because it's set as above, so below. The market always repeats in the same harmonic way. So we got another one. Alright, let's draw another line now. Look what's happening here. What is it? The line is somewhere here. So what I suggest, if we got such a situation that the market shows harmonic place like here, and it still moves a couple of hours, it's 2100 in the evening, GMT +1 or +2, whatever my time is. So it's the end of the session, and over here is Japanese session. Here is 9 in the evening. Here is again 2100. Here, after that, was Japanese session up to here. The market started falling. It was at 9 o'clock. It was 5. It was somewhere here. The market started at it's 1700, whatever. So if you got such a situation, what I would suggest, you might find if the market makes lower low than this point, because here market made first high, it was okay. The second one, we missed the market a couple of candles, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 hours missed. So if you move this line over here, and again apply the same length of the cycle, you might get again somewhere here. Where are we? We are right on the bottom, so we spot it. So is it anything lower? No, the market started rising. Let's try another one. Another one is somewhere here, and let's see what's happening. What's happening? It's shown the local top. What else? But again, there was a local top, but it wasn't an important one, I would say. I would try to move it to this bottom, to this candle. This pin looks as important point. Let's have a butcher's first, whether it works with cycle straight away. It does. Look, the cycle moved as it should do. So it's this one. and it's shown another top. But if you move this one to the bottom, this cycle again will be valid. Look here, it's somewhere just missed one candle, whatever. Okay, let's get rid of this one. Let's move it somewhere there. Still further. Just, I don't want to delete it because I will lose all these candles. Where is this babe? Is this one? Yes, it is. Let's move it somewhere apart. So we got another one. Here, boom. Let's try it. Would it work? It probably would. Look at this. Again, would it work further? Yes, it would. Look here. And where is the next one? By this cycle. We're today on 19th of July 2020. Is Sunday, so the market is closed at the moment. Probably by harmonic behavior, the next turning point on 1 hour chart would happen here at 19th of July 2020 in the 2 hours after midnight GMT +1. Try it on your time frame, try it on your instrument. It wouldn't be necessary Euro USD. Try it on cable, whatever, shares, bonds, and trust me, it works. It works and is a really good, simple instrument. If you use it, your trading will change forever. Thanks very much for watching. I'll see you next time. Green peeps, and bye-bye.